Using head and shoulder.
Go. What is the thunder?
Where?
There's the window.
There's a thunder.
At the window.
Baka it's a monster.
And I see the monster.
You did not see the monster.
Yes.
Maybe there's a ghost.
It's not ghost.
What it is then?
Zombie.
It's a zombie. What does the zombie say?
It's like this one.
I like that. So scary. What's the name of your papa?
Asia.
What's the name of your mama?
Mama baby.
What's the name of your kuya?
Delisa.
How old are you?
Ali.
How old are you?
Ali.
How old are you?
Ali.
How old are you? It's not your name, you're old.
Oh.
I am.
2.
Very good.
Oh.
Oh. What's the color of your clothes?
Not like it's gold. Head.
Head. What is this?
Apple.
Eyebrow. This one. What is this? What is this? What is this?